Hey everyone, Beauty by Leon here for another Makeup Monday to make up for it being Monday. You are watching the very first episode of Flopped, where I have to recreate a look using 5 makeup items that are not mine, plus 1 mystery item to be announced later. So, will this makeup artist be walking away with the $10,000 prize, or will this look be a flop? Stay tuned. Alright, Crystal, what are today's items? What is on the flop block?
So today we are wearing my NARS foundation, which I have on my face. e.l.f. Contour blush and bronzing powder. Kind of yeasty in there. Mary Kay Auburn Brow Defining Pencil. I used to wear that when my hair was red. So
She still wears it.
yeah. Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow. Last, but certainly not yeast, or rather it is yeast, this sparkling lip gloss that we got at Dollar Tree. If you know about Benefit Cosmetics, this is kind of like a knockoff of that Benefit Beauty, or not. So, best of luck with these terrible resources. Best of yuck, I should have said that.
Best of yuck. Okay, so I can use my own makeup, but I have to use the items that are here. And then we have one more item that will be announced later. I'm actually kind of pumped to use this NARS foundation, even if it's not my color. I can still get not a taste. I can still get a feel for the formula. I've never used it before. Is this the lightest one that there is available?
Yes.
Well.
Yes, it is.
All right, this is a little too pink for me, but it's doable. I could make it work if I really needed to. Smells good.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh.
It feels great too, I think.
It's very cooling. I feel like I'm awake and can go do stuff now. This is great. I look a little ghostly, but it's tolerable.
Oh, it's tolerable.
The only thing is this pump is like hard to crank.
I know, I noticed that too.
Was it always like that, or did you like drop it?
No, it was always like that. I was like, no. But I guess it like helps me exercise portion control.
In one facet.
Yeah, in one facet.
Okay, it's like a sheer medium coverage. Then I'm going to use Lorac Sunday's bronzer. I'm just with an angled brush. Yeah, I don't think I've never shown how I do my like contour, which I should probably do sometime. Wow, that really went on a lot. You should entertain us with a story.
Oh, yes! Okay, let's see. Should I just do my impersonations?
Yeah, we can do some impersonations.
All
Do
right.
the people of Hollywood.
Any guesses who this is?
Oh my gosh, Chris, you can't join the army. Besides, the army's weak. None of the Marines. Those are the men you want.
Speaking of Family Guy, tell us about Chris Diller.
Oh my gosh, Crystal, I forgot about that story. I was just talking to some guy a while back, on and off, nothing serious. And one day, he calls me up.
But what does he have to do with Family Guy?
Oh, his grandma was the voice of
Lean in a little.
Peter's mom, who is dead. And, yeah, she was a big comedian back in the 70s and 60s and time before that, and that was his grandma. So she's the voice of Peter's mother, like I said. And this guy just calls me one day. He goes, hey, you should come over. And I'm like, ew, no, I'm not coming over. And he says, well, I know a way I can get you to come over. Does it make it more attractive that I washed my sheets?
I'm going to add some of that e.l.f. stuff. I can't really open it because it's going to crumble everywhere.
So anyway, this yeasty guy is like, I washed my sheets. And I'm like, all right, great. Like, what do you want? And he's like, oh, yeah, that way you won't feel like you're in someone else's filth.
Ew.
And I just went,
As long as he's there, that is someone else's filth.
can you believe that guy?
This is why you look like this. Okay, guys. We've had to have blush interventions with this girl.
This is not too
No,
shabby.
but she used to wear so much blush, like out of control.
I have had this for years.
And now I understand because the bronzer spilled into the blush, so you can't pick up the blush without picking up bronzer. Look how dark that is, and I didn't even try that hard. Oh. So now
Not bad.
All right. I'm just buffing it out all over my face with the biggest brush in America.
I didn't know.
I already look
maybe
like
that's
you.
why
This is
I
crazy.
look like a friggin'... Yeah, I just look insane. Yeah, they've had to have blush interventions with me, and I've gotten better, but...
Yeah, that's true. At least you don't shave your eyebrows anymore.
Yeah.
All right, this is a very cinnamony color.
Yeah. I shaved my armpits for the first time.
It's funny that you, like, shave your eyebrows more often than your pits.
That's true.
Ew. I'm impressed how pigmented this pencil is. I thought I'd have to work really hard for a color payoff. No. I need to chill out. Wow. Yeah, oh. Wow.
It's not.
I could have tried a little harder. What is your addiction?
So for those of you who don't know, I am a Coke addict. About to complete this one, this bad boy. Not to mention yesterday when we went to Chili's and I had 5, but I left half of it at home.
You'll be fine.
And then when we went to Chili's the week before, I had like...
We go to Chili's a lot.
Yeah.
They have good coupes.
They do have good coupes, and we're...
Coupons.
Yes, in case those of you
Don't speak it.
Don't speak the nift. The waitress even, she was so great, but she came by and she was like, I'm just gonna save myself a trip. So she brought 2 at a time for all of us. It was pretty great. Remember that one time at the Danaran's roast last year where like within like 45 minutes, Brian O'Reilly was like, okay, everyone, let's just stop for a minute and take a look that Crystal just drank 8 Diet Cokes in the past 45 minutes. Do you remember that?
No, and I probably said only 8.
Remember that one time when we were also at your house and I brought about 5 of these and the Bish, Emma's dad Bishop,
he was a bishop.
He was a bishop. Goes, oh my gosh, Crystal, are you guys really gonna drink all of these? And I went, oh no, I'm sorry. I only brought enough for myself. So for those of you who follow Emma Johnson's YouTube video, which actually some of these Emma or Beauty by Leon videos.
Oh, that's right.
On there.
Yeah, I'm gonna post and announce this. By the time I say it now, it'll probably be posted already. I am really awesome and accidentally posted 4 makeup videos on Emma Johnson's YouTube channel, which I only use for school. So that's great, and I've had people subscribe to that channel that I never touch. Anyway, but if you do look hard enough over at Emma Johnson's YouTube channel, you will find a news story of Crystal Gates, the chain Diet Coker. Yes. So, I don't know. I guess I'll do a cut crease. I just like, how do you make something red, gold? Because it's kind of just like, I look very bronzy and sun-kissed and red. I look sunburnt. I look sun-turned, and I have to add glitter to that. I'm gonna look so like, I'm gonna look like mean, like. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like a cream eyeshadow. No, it's just like a pressed glitter powder. Oh, I hate this. This is gonna get everywhere. Camille, don't watch this. Viewers' discretion is advised if you hate glitter.
Some hell no!
Wait, now I'm confused because as I like dip my finger into it more, I feel like it's getting moister.
Moist.
I mean, it's very pigmented for...
Moist.
It's very pigmented for $1. Okay, when I put it on my finger, oh my gosh, it's so dry and crumbly. This is gonna get everywhere. This is gonna haunt me for the rest of my days. I can't complain though. I signed up for this, I guess. I didn't mention that some of this makeup belongs to Crystal. Some of it we bought at Dollar Tree. I'm using a light matte pink just for everywhere first. This will be my transition color, even though it's maybe a little too dark. I'm gonna take a lighter one and put it up into the brows. I'm gonna use blush for eyeshadow because I don't have like ballerina pink eyeshadow.
So who do we owe this idea to?
So her sister, Steph, said that there should be a makeup segment that is like Chopped.
Yeah.
So I thought Steph would be here today.
Oh man, I forgot Steph!
What is she doing?
Crap. Should we bring her?
How would we do that? We're here.
Oh yeah. Oh well.
What is she doing?
Sleeping.
Is she really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to the Heat palette because I feel like those tones will match this really well. I'm using Cayenne, El Fuego, like the darker ones, just to kind of darken this look and sort of match it to what's going on.
Alrighty.
What is this?
This are some cheapo eyeshadow applicators we got at Dollar Tree.
Alright.
And these are the ones you have to use now.
So, this is my like curveball item I have to use these stupid...
Sassy and chic. More like sassy and Jake.
I will be finishing my eyeshadow with this, and I will be performing a cut crease with it. Wow.
Oh.
That looks like a foot. How did that happen?
That's a yeasty foot.
Yeah.
Oh my.
How did we do this as kids?
I honestly just always use my finger.
Ugh.
And I still... never mind.
Oh my god.
Ew! Ew! Kate, no. You look like you're doing a drag show.
I guess I can appreciate that for the dollar store, that really showed up.
Yeah, I'll say.
So, I mean, there's some color payoff.
Stay hydrated, kids. Hydrated and caffeinated.
It looks like you kissed a drag queen.
I kissed a drag queen and
The top seemed like a dry pressed glitter, and everything underneath seems like a nasty lip gloss. Oh, I hate this more and more.
The taste of their nasty lip gloss. Yeah, it looks like I have some disease or something. I got a bad case of the glitz.
Ew, it's so gooey. What the freak just happened? I'm using Tartist eyeliner, so it just comes in like a gel sort of thing. And then you just use the brush that it comes with, or at least that's what I do.
Okay, I just can't deal with this garbage anymore.
I don't talk about myself very much. Maybe I'll start.
You should.
I say my freshman year. I'm now 23. I am a super senior. What happened back there?
Oh, crap.
I kind of like, I like the idea of like the Egyptian thing. I like the high ponytail with like the eyeliner.
I
like that.
kinda do too.
Looks kind of cool. Again, the glitter's just whack. Makeup that cheap, it like freaks me out to put on my face because like, ew, what is in it that it only costs $1?
Lead.
Made in China. It's like separating already. It's like this, like, it matches actually. It's like a glittery orange. It's exactly what's happening. So that worked out. Ew.
Ew!
Okay, here it is. Here's the finished look. I don't know what to think. Luckily, I will say what we have going here is consistent. Like, my eyebrows are way too warm. My blush is way too warm. My lips are way too warm. So then I did warm eyeshadow. The only thing is, like, that glitter. You know what I hate? When people do, like, the 5 facts about themselves, but it's stuff that everybody knows.
You're tall. I'm white.
Like,
you're stupid!
So, is this a flop?
Is that bad or good?
I think this was a flop.
It was a flop.
We made it work, but if I want to shower before walking across the street to go to So Delicious with her, I think that means that this was a flop. So,
I'm sorry, Emma. This is a flop.
okay, so there you have it. Here is my flopped look. A girl can try, a good college try, coming from people who are really super seniors. So thanks so much for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.